Tayo? You want it? Dude, you want it?
Not bad.
Not bad.
Plastic meron to sa sakyan.
Hindi, nandiyan na. Lagyan ko muna dyan. Palitan ko naman mamaya pagka...
Floater yung bilog pa eh.
Oh, pre, lagyan ko muna ito dyan. Ah! Woo! Woo! Perfect! Parang nakidlat pa eh. Woo! Ayan na ulan, no? Fishing kami ni Kuya, lakas ng ulan. Mamaya wala na ulan yan doon. Huwag lang aapaw ang tubig sa daan. Ayan, no? Grabe naman yan. Basta fishing. Woo! Lakas. Dito mamaya doon. Yan, 3 Pinoy natitira nagpipishing. Okay ka lang, Bob? Okay ka lang ba sa video, Karik? Okay ka lang ba? Darating pa sparring pair eh. Punta na eh.
Wala na yung ano mo, floater mo.
Ha?
Floater mo, wala.
Kami nadali eh.
Dito na agad.
Nandito ang isda. Uy! Uy, good size. One down. Woo! Perfect. Good size.
Ay, masarap. Magano lang kalaki. One down.
Anong setup mo kuya? Gano'ng kalalim?
Ganun din, 12.
12? Ayan, perfect. Woo! Oh, nice one.
Good guys.
Ah, woo!
These are all good keepers.
That
Not
is
too big,
good.
not too small.
No,
That's a good one.
too big they're not this.
Oh no,
this
they're
big.
not. No, I never keep the big ones.
No, we neither.
Ah. Ah. Matawag? Hello, pre. Hello. Hello, pre. Ayaw bumuka eh. Eh, nandito isda. Lubog ulit. Ba't saka makaserte? Nandito ang isda.
Lucky charm for you.
Yeah, they just arrived. We got two right away. Okay. It's a nice size.
Swerte eh. There we go.
There you go.
Perfect. 2 down.
Two down.
Nice shot.
So you only caught 2, eh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Size. Woo! 3rd down. Pangatlo na.
Yeah.
Pangatlo na kagad ni Kuya. Ang bilis eh. Nandiyan na si Maring Per eh. Nandito lang ang isda. Brad. Nandito lang ang isda.
Yung linta mo, maano rin sila eh. Masipag.
Pwede pa yan. Buhay pa eh. Tatlo ka agad si kuya eh. Ang bilis eh. Woo! Just one more.
Fisherman, eh?
Limit.
Very good, fisherman.
Yeah.
wala pang isang oras kuya. Tatlo na. Umuwi ka na kuya. Huwag ganito. Sa ulo mo lang siya tirahin.
Oo. Tatlo nga dyan kanina, hindi alam sa pula.
Ayan pre.
Ano ba haltakin mo?
Sige, dyan mo ilagay kahit saan dyan.
Kaya kasi crowd.
Hmm.
Ito yung crowd ka ko yun.
Ah, puta. Swerte to si pare. Mauna pa tong kagatin.
Oh, you're done.
Oh, not yet.
It went down and came up.
Yeah. Maybe it took my leech.
No, I think it just touched it.
Yeah?
It'll come
We'll
back.
see. Should be took my leech. Yan na, pre, sa'yo. Wait lang. Palubugin mo na. Yan, sige, pitikin mo. Sabit? Yun, ayos. Saka ayos sa'yo kumagat. Woo! Ah, nakawala. Pare, wag mong bibigyan ng ganun. Wag mong bibigyan. Kailangan nakaangat ng lagi ng ganun.
Took your lead?
Nawala yung leech mo, pre. Sa'yo kumagat.
Maybe it took my lead as well. No.
Maybe, check that. Yung kumagat sa akin. Lagi mo pain, pre.
Ulo ka lang pala maglagay.
Sa ulo lang.
Oo, sa ulo lang.
Pag hinatak mo, pare, kailangan nakahalaban lagi yung ano mo. Huwag mo bibigyan kasi pag binigyan mo makakawala yun.
Malaki-laki ito. Medyo mabigat eh.
Oo. Malaki yun.
You're down.
Yeah, I know. Can you please pick up your line? Thanks. Ay, putya, nawala. Binitawan.
It's gone again.
It's gone. It's gonna be bite again. Na ano kasi, nahila ko na kagad eh. Tagal niya kasi angat yung ano eh. Tagal niya kasi angat yung kanya.
Pagdating kong lounge din eh, wala na.
Lapit-lapit mo dito, pre, oh.
Luto ko wala na.
Pre, lapit-lapit mo dito, nandito yung isda eh.
Parang alam niya ata.
Perfect. A little one.
This must be the one.
Hmm?
I was doing all of that. Yeah. it's-
Okay na yan, pre. May lagayan ka ba, pre?
Ha?
May lagayan ka?
Wala.
Ah, it's okay. Not that small.
Not bad.
Plastic meron doon sa sakyan.
Hindi, nandiyan na. Lagayan ko muna dyan. Palitan ko naman mamaya pagka...
Floater yung bilog pa eh.
Oh, pre. Lagyan ko muna ito dyan. Andun isda, pre. Ay,
Does anybody have that?
no. That's our problem. We don't have net.
No, it's not.
It's a good size. It's okay. Not bad. Perfect. Ooh. There we go.
Good size. Good eating.
Good size.
No, this thing is a little too small.
Too small for you?
Not for me. I'm just saying. In
And everyone catching, you're not?
oh, but there were days when I came here,
Yeah.
nobody else is catching.
And
In 2 hours, I caught 5 fish,
oh, really?
really good size.
Yeah.
And I took 4 and I was gone. I was here like 4:30. I left at 6:15. Done.
Yeah, pangapat na. Woo! Uwi ka na, kuya.
It's even a 4 already.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's done.
I got a bite. I don't even notice it.
Oh no?
Whoa.
Woo, good size. Parehas ang size, no?
No, I'm saying it's better than the other one.
Bigyan mo kayo, parang beer.
Yung kasi
Wala pa isang oras eh, limit na kagad eh.
yung driver yung natin dito pa.
Oo.
I I think it's maybe gone.
It's shy. Oh! Perfect on mine. Oh! Small one too.
It's a small one. I think it's just checking anything in easy target.
Yeah. Pre, hagis mo dito. Pre, hilahin mo na ko dito. Nandito isda eh. Binitawan no. Yan, baka sa'yo ko agitin. Bawal. O da, okay na. Baka wala ng pain. Akin. Pipiliin niya sa'yo pala kasi dalawa fish. Pero minsan ganyan ako. Ayaw agatin isa. Pag dinolbli ko, kinakagat eh. I believe it's a little one eh.
Most probably.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes they're very finicky.
Woo!
Maybe the same face,
sa malapit
same one,
Yeah.
same one here, and the
Same one? Parang
Nasa malapit niya.
parang isda dito eh.
Malapit.
Hagis mo doon pre. Hindi pa nalubog yan sa'yo.
Hindi nga, mula kanina, isang beses.
Nalagis mo dito. Diyan mo yung hagis oh.
Oh, he's gone.
die.
Oh, your bobber is gone.
Ano? Spike? No. It's good. Oh, walay. So walay. Yeah, take it up. Diyan mo lagay ko. Okay. Kuya, parang alanganin eh.
Is the
Hindi, alanganin yung ano. Pahiram mo ng ano.
yeah? Let me go under.
Ha? Yeah.
Oh,
Alanganin no? Perfect. Good. Thanks.
that's you. That'll. Which one is this?
Let's go. The third one. Perfect. Ha? Saan ka naghagis pre? Pre, wait lang.
Bakit? Tuwi na rin kayo?
Lumubog na eh. Bigyan na to isa sa'yo. Ano naman? Bigyan mo akin dyan ko. Baka sa akin madalya. Oo. Dito lang malapit. Yari sa akin to. Dalawang gamit ito ah. Dalawang gamit. Good one. Good one. Bumalik no. Woohoo! Good size, pwede na. Lagay mo sa akin ka. It's a good one.
No sure.
Minus nga eh. Ang laki oh. It's a big one. Oh, we don't have a net. Just pull it there. Over there.
I'm gonna try this.
Oh, that's why I told you.
You gotta bring it back. That was nice.
That's a nice one, eh? Oh, broke off? Oh, that's fine. Yeah, that's a big one. That's why I'll tell you to bring it there.
I know it's small though.
Ay, tali niya oh. Tali niya. Natalo niya. Oh! Come on! One more! Hindi ka may lubog may gino. Yan, dalawa. Sabay. Kaya. Ah! Come on! Oh, sabit. Kick my leech. Ah, dyan daming isda ngayon kuya.
Yeah, I kind of want to fish to start.
Ah, patayin yung mga leech natin dito. Sabay eh. Sabay kagat. Yan na. Yan, pop it down.
Double up.
Oh. Oh. Awesome. There we go. That's good. That's a good size. Oh. Ano kaya? Fishing pa tayo? You want it? Dude, you want it? I got 3 already. I like to fish more.
Sure.
Yeah, sure. Take this one.
Okay.
Perfect. Double hitter, eh? Take fishing right here. Maliit na naman.
Small one.
Pakawalan mo. Woo! Ano mo naman? Anong pinagat?
We were barefoot down by the levee, blue sky burning in the beer ice, heavy radio playing that old Keith Whitley song. You laughed, said I couldn't sing along. You wore cutoffs and a sun.
Catch and release tayo ngayon. Yun! Maliit. Catch and release. Oh, nag-enjoy tayo eh. Catch and release. Yeah.
We were barefoot down by the levee, blue
Just
sky
give a-
burning in the beer ice,
Just small
heavy
one.
radio playing that old
The guy,
Keith Whitley song.
To the left.
You laughed, said
Got a
I
big
couldn't
one.
sing along. You wore cutoffs and a sun-kissed shoulder. I
So what?
swore right then I'd never get older. Thought
Yeah.
that kind of fire never
We're just
fades.
enjoying.